Here at Overdevest Nurseries, we're continually testing and trialing new plants all the time. We're looking for superior performers, ones that are going to put on a good show right here in our mid-Atlantic and northeastern states. And here in the middle of this wagon is a little Nepeta that we've been watching that looks like it's showing a lot of promise. This is Nepeta Neptune. Now, I used the word little. This is a plant that will grow into about 15 to 18 inches, and that's little compared to the original species that it was bred from. You see, this is a compact version with short internodes and strong sturdy stems, and yet gorgeous blue and purple flowers, as you see, and yet it's a compact version of a species that grows normally to about 3 foot. So it's less than half the size of the original species. And so far, this has been performing beautifully here in our trials and testing. And so it's likely to be a plant that we're going to be putting into production. Now, what we like about it is that, of course, with all these gorgeous flowers that are a beautiful color, they're really nice to look at. But also, this is a plant that attracts pollinating insects and butterflies. Because it's a catmint, it's tough and hardy and easy to grow. The original species comes from southern Russia. It likes to grow in a sunny, well-drained position. And what we like about it also is, with that shade of blue, it goes very well with lemon-colored plants like these daylilies. It works nicely with plants like this cushion spurge that has dark purple foliage. And then look what happens when you put it next to some silvery plants like these lavenders, or even group it with some very nice pink roses. You can see, I think, what the potential of this plant is. So we're excited to continue with our trials, and we're now kind of giving you the scoop, so that if you see it in one of the garden centers somewhere in our region, then you might want to take a closer look at it. This is Nepeta Neptune. We think this is a good perennial that has a lot of potential.